Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Mirza Home Decor, the YouTube channel dedicated to all things wall, clock and timepiece ideas. If you're someone who love to add a personal touch to your living space while stay punctual, you're come to right place. Our channel is a treasure trove of creative and innovative time skipping project perfect both beginner and sessional die authorized whether you're looking to vamp a dull wall or gift a unique timepiece to a loved one. We got you convert with a diverse range of idea and tutorial. Here what you can expect from your YouTube channel inspiring Daiwala clock project. We showcase a wide variety of Daiwala clock ideas. Each design to creator are to different style and taste from rustic and vintage design to modern and minimalist looks. We have something for everyone. Repurposing and upcycling. We believe in the power of repurposing and upcycling material to create stunning timepiece. Our tutorial often future way to utilize everyday object and turn them into a functional and aesthetically pleasing clock. Step by step tutorial. Our detailed step by step guide you through entire die process. We understand that not everyone is an expert, so we break down the project into simple, easy to follow steps that anyone can understand and recreate. Material and tools. Wondering that material and tools you need for a particular project. We provide a comprehensive list of all the required material and tool, making it convenient for you to gather everything before getting started. Tips and tricks. Our experienced dyer share valuable tips and tricks to make your dye journey smoother and more enjoyable. Learn about different techniques for painting, stunning, and embellishing your timepiece to achieve professional looking results. Community and interaction. We value our community of dye authorities and encourage active interaction. Feel free to leave a comment, share your own creation inspiration by our video and ask question. We love to hear from you and celebrate your creativity. Timekeeping education. It's not just about our die aspect. We also delve into the fascination world of timekeeping and clock, and learn about different type of clock movement and how they work, enhancing your implication for the art of timekeeping. Seasonal and holiday project. We keep our content fresh and relevant by featuring seasonal and holiday theme clock project from festive clock for Christmas, for spring inspired design. We ensure that you always have something new to explore. So whether you are die enthusiast seeking your next project or someone who appreciate unique timepiece, hit that subscribe button and join our creative community. Let together turn ordinary wall into extraordinary expression of style and functionality with die wall clock and timepiece idea. If you're possible die or simply someone who love to adorn their living space with personalized and functional art, you're arrived at the perfect destination. Our expensive a collection of Daiwal clock project showcased and plethora of style and design to match every taste and decor, from classic and elegant to quietly and unconventional. We present a diverse range of ideas that will awaken the artist within you. Learn to craft vintage inspired wall clock using repurposed wooden frame and antique hardware, adding a touch of nostalgia to your space. Transformed ordinary household items such as vinyl record or vintage map into remarkable clock that stand out as conversation starter. Explore the enchanting world of nature by incorporating dried flower, pressed leaves, or driftwood into your clock. Bring the beauty of the outdoor indoor. Many golden frame clock and the large and small number of clock, very beautiful silver clock and entire design. Many frame clock design to discover the change environment. Convert old book into clever bookshelf clock that add charm and utilize to your reading, and many beautiful colors and design as a moon and star design, very important menu of living clock. Vintage suited or would create as a rustic timepiece that evoke a sense of wanderlust and adventure. Turn recycling metal or plastic items into unique wall clock, combining art and functionality in perfect harmony. Our detailed step-by-step tutorial cater to die of our level, making even the most complex project accessible and enjoyable. Our expert instructor walk you through each phase of the process, ensuring you achieve professional looking result. Learn the fundamental of clock making, from selecting the right clock movement to assembling the hand over the work, numerical collecting Masterpiece design crafting technique, unique standing and embossing to add texture and personality to your timepiece design. Very happy discover to art the creating customer templates and allowing you to personalize your clock with name, quick and illustration. Thanks for watching the video Mirza Home Decor.